Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to delete my X account on iPhone. So before deleting your X account, you may want to have a copy of your X data. So this copy will include your posts, messages, media, so basically all activity on X. So if you want that, you want to tap a profile picture in the top left. Now scroll down to settings and privacy. Now select section your account and go to download an archive of your data. Now you want to sign into your X account, and after this X will prepare a large zip file for you with your data. Now, how to delete your X account? You want to make sure that you're in the section your account in your settings, and after this go to deactivate your account section. Now on your screen you can read some information provided by X, and you have to tap this red deactivate button, then enter your password, your X password, to confirm the action that you really want to deactivate your X account, and after this your account will be deactivated. But if you log back into your X account during the 30 days after the activation of your account will be automatically reactivated and the deactivation process will be cancelled. Again, after 30 days of no login activity, X will permanently delete your account and all data associated with it. So that's how you can delete your X account using your iPhone. Thank you for watching. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.